Welcome to my channel. Today, we're looking at one of the most luxurious convertibles of 2025, the Rolls-Royce Dawn. This new Dawn continues the Rolls-Royce legacy of unmatched craftsmanship, elegance, and powerful performance. The exterior design is a perfect blend of modern sophistication and timeless beauty. The iconic Spirit of Ecstasy sits proudly on the redesigned front grille, giving it a commanding presence on the road. Sleek LED headlights and a more aerodynamic silhouette add to its refined appeal, making it an instant head-turner. Under the hood, the 2025 Dawn is powered by a 6.75L twin-turbo V12 engine, delivering an effortless driving experience with over 600 horsepower. The ride is exceptionally smooth, thanks to Rolls-Royce's advanced self-leveling air suspension, which absorbs road imperfections and ensures a cloud-like drive. With an 8-speed automatic transmission, acceleration is seamless, providing both power and grace at every turn. The whisper-quiet cabin is enhanced by Rolls-Royce's state-of-the-art soundproofing, making long drives even more serene. Step inside, and you're greeted by the finest hand-stitched leather, real wood veneers, and a starlit headliner that adds an extra touch of luxury. Every detail in the cabin is meticulously crafted, from the deep pile carpet underfoot to the elegantly illuminated dashboard. The infotainment system is state-of-the-art, featuring a high-resolution display, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto voice control, and an immersive bespoke audio system designed exclusively for this model. Passengers can enjoy individual climate-controlled seats, ambient lighting, and even a champagne cooler for ultimate indulgence. Technology is at the forefront of the new Dawn, offering advanced driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, night vision, and a 360-degree camera system. The signature suicide doors, operated with the push of a button, make entry and exit effortless, enhancing the car's unique charm. The rear seating area is designed for ultimate comfort, making this a true four-seater luxury convertible. Whether you're cruising through the city or taking a scenic coastal drive, the 2025 Rolls-Royce Dawn offers an experience like no other. The combination of performance, luxury, and cutting-edge technology makes it one of the most desirable convertibles on the market. What do you think about this masterpiece? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing car content. Stay tuned for more reviews, and I'll see you in the next video.